Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Hope. So for today's video, I'm going to be going over everything that's new in my wardrobe. So I have a couple different places like Zara, FARFETCH, Revolve, and just a couple other places. So definitely stay tuned if you guys are interested. So I think I'm going to start with all of the FARFETCH items first. I have 5 pieces total. This is super exciting because this portion of the video is actually sponsored by FARFETCH, and I've been a customer of them in the past before this collab. I've always had really good experiences with them, so it's super exciting to finally get the opportunity to work with them. So I'm going to quickly take all these pieces out, but while I'm doing so, I wanted to give you guys some background info if you're not familiar with FARFETCH. They are an online platform. They have a variety of different brands. Honestly, a huge selection of products, which is why I really like it. They also have really quick shipping. If you guys do want to pick up any of the pieces that I show or anything else on the website, you can use my code, which I'll put right here on the screen. Definitely take advantage of that code because it does expire at this date. So let's just get into the pieces. So the first piece that I'm going to show is a bag from Amina Muaddi. So this is the bag, and I actually did film little outfit clips to show you guys how I would style the pieces, and I'll just be putting them right here on this blank wall. So I'm gonna move a little bit over to the side, but I picked up this little bag and I just think this is super cute. I'm actually really happy that I did get this one. I was kind of on the fence, a little bit busier than what I would usually get. I try to just go for simple bags so that they can match a ton, and I didn't know if I would regret getting something with like a print or text on it. I like that only one side is embellished, but the other side is pretty simple. It just has the tiny little logo, and I just think it's a super cute going out bag at nighttime. Of course, it is very tiny, so it's not gonna fit a ton. For reference, this is my phone, so it does not fit a phone, but I will show you guys a close-up clip of what you could put in the bag. Personally, for me, I hold my phone anyways most of the time, and it holds all my necessities like a mask, mini hand sanitizer, card holder, and a little lipstick or a lip gloss. I picked up another bag, and this one is from Jacquemus. Sorry if I pronounce any of these names wrong. I already pronounce a lot of normal words wrong, so please don't hold it against me if I pronounce brand names wrong. I've been wanting this specific style, like the more rectangular one. I don't know the exact name, but I'll put it on the screen because I do have this little pink one. I like it, but it's definitely a lot smaller, and I just feel like, so I would say this still satisfies like the aesthetic that I'm going for of a tiny bag, but it's more practical than this tiny one. You can use this as either a top handle or a crossbody bag. The last bag is from By Far, and this is just a really cute little blue bag, and this is the Cush bag. I think it's the micro size, and I've been wanting a By Far Cush bag for a while. I didn't know what size I wanted or what color, but I saw this blue one. I don't know if this is a new color, but I just think this is perfect for spring, summertime. I've actually really been into blue lately, and I had some heels that was like the perfect color to go with this. It is super tiny. I would say out of all of the bags, it is the tiniest, but since they do have different sizes in the Cush bag, if this one is a little bit too small for what you want. And I did forget to mention that all the bags did come with little dust bags. I just already unpackaged. So those were all of the bags that I got from FARFETCH, and next up is a pair of sneakers. So again, this is from Stadium Goods, but sold through FARFETCH. So these are the sneakers. They're Dunk Highs, and it's in the color Toasty. It has texture on it, which I really like, because if you do get a little bit of creasing, you can't really see it. I originally wanted this because I saw it on Hailey Bieber. I put her picture here because that's originally what made me want the shoes, but I just love that it's mostly neutral, but it still has a little bit of color to it. And I just think this one is super comfortable too because of the inside. It's like a soft material, and I would definitely say this might be my new favorite pair of sneakers at the moment, just because the color is perfect. And I promise an updated sneaker collection or shoe collection is coming. So last item that I got from FARFETCH is actually a pair of tights, and I already took them out because I already wore them, but I love sheer tights, whether it's plain or printed, and I styled this in a couple different ways. For the most part, all black outfits, and I did get this in a size extra small, I believe, and overall very happy with these. So those are all of the pieces that I got from FARFETCH, and again, if you do want to pick up any of these items or anything else on the website, you guys can use my code, which I'll put here on the screen as well as the description box. I'm gonna move on to the clothing, and I'm gonna start with the Zara items. The first one is this little dress, but it's actually a top, but I'm planning to wear it as a dress, and I got this in a size small. It'll be super cute with some white heels in that white bag that I got from FARFETCH. So the next item from Zara is such a good find. I was kind of worried about getting this because I always have really bad luck with Zara pants. They're either too long or too big on the waist. This was literally perfect. The waist fit well, and the length was such a good length. I don't have to get them altered, and I've been looking for white trousers for a while, and this was a size extra small For reference, I'm like a 23 waist and I just thought the extra small fit really well. So this next dress is kind of hard to show because it has all these cutouts. It's a bodycon style, and even though it does have that cutout around the hip section, it's actually not too revealing, or you can kind of adjust how much you want to show of your hip. For me personally, I was actually able to wear underwear with it and it was fine, just more high cut. And it also does have that little grip detail in the front section, which kind of helps it stay up. So I picked up these two tops, which you guys probably just saw in the FARFETCH section because I styled them with those items that I got. But they're the same item, just in different colors. So I got it in white and black. So both are from Lioness. It's a size extra, extra small. The last store I have is Revolve. I just have a couple of items from them. And the first one is the one that I did show with that by far cush bag. It's that long white set. And it is a two-piece. I'm pretty sure they did come together, and it's from the brand Super Down. It has a slit on the side with this ruche detailing, which I feel like is very flattering. I did get this in a size extra, extra small, and it did fit really well. I feel like this would be a really good vacation outfit. If you have any kind of event where you need to be wearing white, I feel like this would be really cute. And then the matching top, it's just a simple off-the-shoulder white top, and it's in the same exact material. And as long as you wear a neutral tone bra underneath, it's fine. It's not see-through. So this was a size extra, extra small as well. The next item from Revolve is a corset top in this faux leather material, and I've really been liking corset tops at the moment. And this was a size extra, extra small. I will say it does run a little bit big. So when I was filming the reels, I did have to kind of pinch it in the back with a clip. It does have a little zipper detail in the back, so it's not one of the lace-up corsets, which I do usually prefer that just because it's adjustable. But overall, I do think it's cute. I would just say it does run a little bit big in my opinion. I did get this little sparkly pink dress from Revolve. It has this ruche detailing. This is also from the brand Super Down, size extra, extra small. And then the last item from Revolve is this pink top, which I also styled in a Valentine's Day lookbook. This was a size extra, extra small. It fit really well. And then the back is completely open. Sorry, my dog is barking and I know he won't stop for a while, and this is the last item, so I'm just gonna quickly say I didn't show how the back look, but I'll put a picture here of the model. So those are some of the pieces that are new in my wardrobe. And again, thank you to FARFETCH for sponsoring a portion of this video.